Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how I did my mini twist. It was super easy. You do need to have a little bit of patience if you want it to come out nice, or you can, you can half-ass it, but they're not gonna come out looking like this. So I would suggest you take your time. This wasn't hard at all. I did do it a different way just because I like to wear the hairstyle instead of just putting the twist in and taking it out. So I did show you that in the video, and I will be showing you all the products again listed out and in the description box. So yeah, if you're looking to see how I got these beautiful juicy twists, stay tuned and we're gonna get right to it. So we're gonna keep this shower scene quick today. I'm gonna be using the natural hair mask treatment as my deep conditioner, and I will be deep conditioning and doing a hot oil treatment on my hair today. I'm gonna walk you guys through that. I'm just going to put that through my hair, finger detangle, and section it off into braids like you guys know that I like it. Now when you're getting ready for the hot oil, I just microwaved some water for a couple minutes and then I let it sit in there. It was like really separated, so this shake really mixed up the oils really nicely, as you can see. And then I'm just going to do a test to see how hot it is right there. And this is where my heart like dropped because I seen a spider. I got so scared. But okay, anyways, I'm going to apply this oil over my hair as you see. And it wasn't burning my scalp, but it was really warm and it felt really nice being applied. So once the oil is in your scalp, you can use a little bit of oil to apply to the shaft of your hair and then grab a bag or whatever you use to deep condition on your head. And I also like to use this little thing that my friend bought me. Shout out to Rima. It's basically a headband that protects the water from getting onto your edges in your hair. So this kept the oil from dripping down my neck and my face. And then I used the shower cap on top of there. And in the shower, I use this Taraji her line of shampoo is called Honey Fresh, and I love it so much. And of course, I use my Vanity Planet. I didn't put the shower scene in here. I just showed you guys rinsing out the deep conditioner and kind of a little bit of the oil, but I did use that on my head too, shampoo. Now for my styling, I'm going to be using the Camille Rose Aloe with Butter Gel like I used in my first video if you haven't saw it. And a new addition would be the Curl Maker by Camille Rose. I am almost out of this and I'm so sad about it. But yeah, those are the two products that I used, and I just rubbed it all on my hair and it was feeling so good. As you can see in this video, it was feeling so soft. And then I'm just going to comb through my hair and we're going to be braiding these up. I'm going to apply all of the Aloe with Butter Gel and the Curl Maker to each section. So when I get to the section, I won't have to reapply all my products. It'll all just be nice and moisturized, as you can see. And we'll be able to hop right into the twist. So for the oil that I used some extra virgin olive oil. It says for sauteing and frying, but best believe you can use it for your hair. I just like this oil, it's really lightweight. And I'm just going to show you guys my first twist that I did. I did braid the root. I'm going to show you the back and how it turned out. And I want to show you guys about the size that they were. In my last video, they were about medium size twists. These are actual mini twists. So you can see that in the video. And I'm going to show you guys the roots and how they looked, and how I was trying to explain how they look a bit neater when I braid the roots and they last longer. So I'm going to show you that here in a second. And there's about 8 of those back there. And then I'm just going to continue doing this all over my head. It was a little late, I was getting a little bit sleepy, but I pulled through. And that's the back. I don't mind that middle part because when I take these down, it's going to be super fluffy and that part will not be there. Now the edge control that I used was Marie's edge wax, and I think this just lays down the best and it's not too heavy on my hair, and it stays molded down for a couple of days, so I never have any complaints. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all some shake. I was finally done with my twist. Getting done with these is such an accomplishment. They are always so juicy and beautiful, and I always love how these turn out. It's so worth it. Okay guys, and this is the final look. I really enjoy personally doing mini twists. I don't know why, it's just kind of therapeutic. I just love how they always turn out, and I like wearing this style. Now the reason I braided the roots is because it gives me like a neater, more not so frizzy looking hairstyle, because my hair gets frizzy a lot. So I think the braiding the roots, it just makes it look a lot, you know, like a not neater. You know, I can see the parts, it just looks a lot neater. That's it looks neater to me. Now if you don't wear your twists just to wear them in a hairstyle, you want to put the twist in and then take them out, you can skip that braiding step, because it will make it harder to take it out. But I don't really mind that process at all, because I'm gonna keep these in for a couple days. If you guys want me to do like a hairstyle video of how I style my twist, just leave a comment down below, any suggestions that you want me to style my hair. This is kind of the style I like to do almost every day, just a little bun. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and I'll leave my social media here. Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos from me in the future.